Hello everyone. Today Brianna and I will be reading you a story entitled The Lion and the Mouse. Now while I'm reading this story, you will come across a word that you hear me say, timid. Timid simply means that you're easily frightened or you're not very brave. Well, I've been reading stories to them, and then sending videos, doing a lot of other fun activities like when I don't read a story, I might just send a tongue twister and I would say it and then have them say it, and I've been doing this via WhatsApp. A lion lay asleep in the forest, his great head resting on his paws. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly, and in her fright and haste to get away, ran across the lion's nose. I felt like I needed to do this because first of all, I miss them, miscommunicating with them, and then really and truly this is not an easy situation that we are facing, and as little as they are, I just felt like, they might have their own fears and anxieties with all that's going on, so I wanted to let them know that we can still make the most of our situation and enjoy each other's company. Woken from his nap, the lion laid his huge paw angrily on the tiny creature to kill her.
"Spare me,"
begged the poor mouse.
"Please let me go, and someday I will surely repay you."
The feedback has been great. Actually, the students have responded in the chat. Others who are a bit shy may message me directly, and then some even would call. When students respond, parents don't just send in their child's own responses, but some take the time to comment on another child's response, and all the responses have been positive. Some weeks later, the lion was caught in a net. The hunters who desired to carry the lion alive to their king tied him to a tree. Most nights it feels like we are all in one big living room doing this. It gets live and lively.